Hi, today we are going to do past paper questions related to polygons. Question 1. AB and BC are two sides of a regular polygon with n sides. Work out the value of n. Show your working clearly. So AB and BC are two sides of a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? In a regular polygon, all sides are equal. So AB equals to BC. First of all, we need to find this angle. I put the x. This is the interior angle of this regular polygon. So you know this point B. At a point, angles are added up to 360. So I can write 148 plus 50 plus x equals 360. 148 plus 50, that is 198, plus x equals 360. I subtract 198 from both sides. 198 get cancelled. X equals 360 minus 198. 360 minus 198, that is 162. To find number of sides, we must know exterior angle. So we know interior angle. You know interior angle plus exterior angle equals 180. Then interior angle 162 plus exterior equals 180. I can subtract 162 from both sides. 162 get cancelled. Exterior angle equals 180 minus 162. That is 18. Then number of sides of a regular polygon equals 360 divided by exterior angle. So here 360 divided by 18. 360 divided by 18, that is 20. So n equals 20. Question number 2. ABCDE is a regular pentagon. DEFGHI is a regular hexagon. AF is a straight line. Work out the size of the angle EAF. EAF. That means this angle. Okay, this is a regular pentagon. That means all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is hexagon. And we can see there's this side common to both pentagon and hexagon. That means all sides are equal of pentagon and hexagon. All sides are equal. So we need to find interior angle of pentagon. That is, I put here x, and interior angle of hexagon, that is y. Then we can find z, and we can find then EAF, because this is isosceles triangle. Okay, what is sum of interior angles? Sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. N is number of sides. So if you take pentagon, it is 5 minus 2 times 180. This is sum. Then we have to divide this by 5 because it has 5 angles. And that equals to interior angle of a pentagon. So this equals to x. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 times 180, that is 540. 540 divided by 5, that is 108. So x equals 108. And if you take hexagon, it is 6 minus 2 times 180. This is sum of all the angles. If you want one angle, then we have to divide this by 6. That equals to interior angle of hexagon, that is y. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 times 180, that is 720. Divided by 6, 120. That is y. So we know this is at a point, angles are added up to 360. So x plus y plus c equals 360. X equals 108, y equals 120 plus c equals 360. 108 plus 120, that is 228, plus c equals 360. Subtract 228 from both sides. 228 get cancelled. Z equals 360 minus 228. 360 minus 228, that is 132. Z equals 132. AEF is isosceles triangle. Then EAF, that means this angle, and EFA and this angle are equal. Then I can write 2 times EAF plus Z equals 180. 2 times EAF means 2 EAF plus 132 equals 180. Then 2 EAF equals 180 minus 132. 132 come into this side, it becomes minus 132. Equals 180 minus 132, that is 48. So 2 EAF equals 48. Then EAF equals 48 divided by 2. Then EAF equals 24. Question number 3. In the diagram, ABCDE is a regular pentagon. Angle AEF equals 96. Work out the size of the obtuse angle FED. Show your working clearly. So this is regular, that means all sides and all the angles are equal. And we can find this interior angle, that is I put x. Then if you can find this interior angle, then we can find FED. Okay, first of all we need to find the interior angle. Sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. Here pentagon, so 5 sides. Sum is 5 minus 2 times 180. Then all the angles are equal. We can divide this by 5 to get x. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 times 180, 540 divided by 5. 540 divided by 5, that is 108. So x equals 108. Then you know angles at a point added up to 360. So we can write 96 plus x plus FED equals 360. 96 plus x is 108 plus FED equals 360. 96 plus 108, that is 204 plus FED equals 360. Then we have to subtract 204 from both sides. So FED equals 360 minus 204, that is FED equals 156. Question number 4. The diagram shows a pentagon. Work out the value of x. So we need to find sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. And we know 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2, 3 times 180, 540. Then we can write x plus 119 plus 67 plus 135 plus 90 equals 540. X, when you add 119, 67, 135, 90, that is 411 equals 540. Then I have to subtract 411 from both sides. X 411 get cancelled equals 540 minus 411. So x equals 129. Question number 5. The diagram shows a regular 10-sided polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Show that x equals y. 10-sided polygon. So it is regular. So we need to find the interior angle. Sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. Here n 10 sides. 10 minus 2 times 180. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 times 180, that is 1440. So 1 interior angle equals 1440 divided by 10, that is 144. I need to find x, so I'm going to draw this pentagon separately. This is x. These are interior angles, 144 each, and this is regular. So when you consider symmetry, this is also x. Then this is pentagon, 5 sides. So sum of interior angles of a pentagon, that is 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 times 180, 540. Then x plus 3 times this interior angle, that is 144 equals 540. X plus x, that is 2x, plus 3 times 144, that is 432 equals 540. I have to subtract 432 from both sides. So 2x equals 540 minus 432. 2x equals 540 minus 432, that is 108. Divide by 2, divide by 2, 2 get cancelled. X equals 54. I put this angle Z. I'm going to find this Z. To find Z, I'm going to take this ABCD quadrilateral. So these two are interior angles. This is Z. If you consider symmetric, this also Z. So you know, in a quadrilateral, interior angles are added up to 360. So you can write Z plus C plus 2 times interior angle is 144. 144 equals 360. Z plus Z, 2Z plus 288 equals 360. 2 times 144, that is 288. And I have to subtract 288 from both sides. 2Z equals 360 minus 288. 2Z equals 360 minus 288, that is 72. Both sides divide by 2. Z equals 36. Now if you consider X, Y and Z, that becomes interior angle of 10-sided polygon. Then you know interior angle of 10-sided polygon is 144. Then I can write X plus Y plus Z equals 144. X you know, that is 54. Y we don't know. Z 36 equals 144. 54 plus 36, that is 90. Y plus 90 equals 144. I have to subtract 90 from both sides. Then y equals 144 minus 90. So y equals 54. So x equals 54, y also 54. Then x equals 5.